Rocking around the Christmas tree. Hi everyone! We've had such a lot of fun preparing these Christmas sweets together. So now let's plate them. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. I'm really excited that so many of you tried out my Christmas sweet recipes and shared the pictures with me. So now let's get started. Let's start by placing some of our beautifully layered bibinka on a platter. And to that, let's add our fruit-shaped marzipan. And to finish off this platter, let's place our sugar-dusted date rolls. Look how well the colors pop on a white platter. Now on another platter, let's place our delicious white chocolate pistachio cranberry fudge. But alongside, we're going to place our chocolate walnut fudge. We're going to place both of them on one platter so that our guests can choose between the two. And now to show off the beauty of our nankatais, let's plate them on a lovely red platter. And to add to the elegance of our coconut ice, let's place them on a marble stand. To plate our bath cake, let's saw cut it with a serrated knife to get that perfect clean cut. Oh my goodness! And now let's place some slices alongside the cake. Look how we've created those lovely layers to emphasize the variety of our sweets. I'm really excited that so many of you have made my Christmas fruit cake. So now let's cut it and plate it. Once again, we're going to use a serrated knife and saw cut the cake to get that lovely clean cut. And a platter of flaky Nuris. And now we're going to plate my favorite delicate coconut baskets. Alongside that, let's place the famous Goan Bellinas. We're going to place our snowy white milk cream on a wooden platter. Let's top it off with a fan favorite, a bowl of crispy kalkals and kummalas. Look how we've created these amazing levels. And I really like the way the Christmas sweets are standing out on this deep brown wooden platter. And you're watching Plating It with Wendy. From our family to yours,
Merry Christmas!
Hey, and before I go, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe, and if you hit on that bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And while you're at it, hit on that like button and leave me your comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.